Alright guys, today I just opened this chip, so and we're just gonna eat it. Let's go. Chips it's called the patata. The patata. I hate when the letters are backwards.
Kilo kalate.
Ay, hindi yan tawag dito ko ano. Hindi wag dito ang kilo. Sino ang tatlo? Kilo.
Oh,
Ay, 60 franc kayo pag bawang kasay. May bagong buhay.
Ay.
Ito pala 120 ang kilo. 80 lang pala ito. Dapat mo ganito eh.
lasing-lasingan.
Ano ba yan? Nanakaw ka na. Kaya si Lola, lasing na. Kabayo ka, pinagbigan mo ako.
Good news. My grandparents are
Ano na kung sa 18?
drunk. I think
Kami sa...
my grandparents are a little drunk.
Nahihirapan ako sa cellphone ko.
Pero ito lang, kasi kung gabi,
Hirap ang isip. Huwag ka na magagabi-gabi. Kung kapabasay, may mga wakit ka na. Hindi, huwag ka na.
dalawa kasi magagawin sa dito na.
Hindi, huwag na eh. 25.
18. Oh, yan. 25, dalawa. Depende na yun na ngayon. Magkano lang masildo ko. Wala akong masildo.
Ran out. I think that's all for this, guys. Bye. Before we end this video, my lolo is drunk. My grandfather is drunk. And Lola is also drunk too. My grandma is also drunk. and grandpa is also drunk too.
Celebrate yan, oh.
It's to celebrate from Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.